Sri Lanka, formerly known as Ceylon, and officially the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, is an island country in South Asia. It lies in the Indian Ocean, southwest of the Bay of Bengal, and southeast of the Arabian Sea. It is separated from the Indian subcontinent by the Gulf of Mannar and the Palk Strait. Sri Lanka's climate can be described as tropical, and quite hot. Its position between 5 and 10 north latitude endows the country with year-round warm weather, moderated by ocean winds and considerable moisture. The average yearly temperature for the country as a whole ranges from 28 to 30 degrees Celsius, 82.4 to 86.0 degrees Fahrenheit. Buddhism is the largest religion of Sri Lanka. Gotabaya Rajapaksa is the President of Sri Lanka. The Prime Minister is Mahinda Rajapaksa. Cinnamon, tea, coconut and rice are exported on a large scale to Sri Lanka. Cricket is the most popular sport in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a very beautiful country. If you also want to choose a suitable country to visit, follow my Instagram page for details.